Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I always keep boxed chicken stock on hand in my pantry because I think it is a really great secret weapon when you're cooking. This one from Kitchen Basics is a really nice one because it's made with natural ingredients and things that you would put into a homemade chicken stock. But this saves you a lot of time. It's already done for you. So I love that it comes in this 32-ounce reclosable container. It has a screw top and it's great because you can use what you need and then close it up and pop it in the refrigerator and then you are ready to use it the next time. So this is the unsalted version, which is great if you want to be able to control the amount of salt going into your recipe, so it allows you to really customize it. And if you're watching your sodium, then this is a nice option as well. I love to use this stock in tons of things, of course making soup, but it also is a great way to add flavor to things like rice or mashed potatoes or really anything. It's a really easy way to give a big flavor boost to your dishes. So I'm a big fan of the Kitchen Basics chicken stock. It is a really convenient way to keep stock on hand without having to make a big batch of homemade stock. It makes your life a lot simpler and it adds a lot of flavor. And that is my point of view.